Vegetable broth, a tasty learning experience. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a delicious topic in the English language, vegetable broth. Whether you're a food lover or just curious about English culinary terms, this video will give you a tasty insight into this phrase. Let's dive in. First things first, what is vegetable broth? It's a liquid made by simmering vegetables in water. The key components of this phrase are vegetable and broth. Vegetable refers to plants or parts of plants used as food, like carrots, onions, or potatoes. Broth is a thin, flavorful liquid usually made by simmering meat or vegetables in water. So, vegetable broth is a nutritious, aromatic liquid used in cooking, made by simmering a variety of vegetables. Vegetable broth is a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. It's commonly used as a base for soups and stews, adding depth and flavor. You can also use it to cook grains like rice or quinoa, giving them an extra flavor boost. It's a healthy, low-fat alternative to cooking with oils or butter. In English recipes, you might see phrases like, simmer in vegetable broth, or add vegetable broth for flavor. Making your own vegetable broth is easy and a great way to use leftover veggies. You just need to simmer a mix of vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery in water, adding herbs and spices for flavor. Homemade broth is not only healthier but also allows you to control the ingredients and salt content. Perfect for those who are health conscious or have dietary restrictions. And that's our journey through the flavorful world of vegetable broth. I hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to try using or making your own vegetable broth in your cooking adventures. Remember, language learning can be as delicious as your favorite dish. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English culinary exploration.